most of us have access to something called this a smartphone, right? And if your smartphone has a camera and also an LED flash, you can use this camera and LED flash with the help of an app called Vitals by a company CarePlix to record your oxygen saturation level. So it's a very simple app. You can download it for your Google Android, your iOS, and you can use it for free as of now. So once you download the app, you need to register in the app. Without registration, you cannot use it. Once you register the app, you can log into the app. It's very easy. You can log in using your email ID which has to be registered first, and a password that you gave during the registration process. Now once you registered and you have the app and you log in, and after you log in, you will be presented with these 4 options. So log vitals history, vitals analytic, scan vitals. The option which will allow you to scan the oxygen level is the scan vitals. So once you click on scan vitals, you will see the start scan option. So once you start scan, your flashlight will open up. So your flash will open up, and then you need to click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, what you need to do, you have to cover the camera and the flash both, something like this, okay, and the scan will proceed. You need to check that your signal strength during the scan remains good. Okay, my blood oxygen level has been detected. It takes around 30 seconds for it to complete. So it takes around 30 seconds now. Okay, now it's done. I'm doing it while resting. Okay, so this is it. You have 80 your heart rate, 98 is your oxygen saturation. The 98 value of oxygen saturation which we also got during this oximeter. So I'll again check using this oximeter what kind of result I get. Okay, what kind of result I get, let us see. Okay, so this is what the app gives, and this is what you call the CarePlix Vitals gives. So I think this app is pretty useful, and you can use it in absence of a proper oximeter. If you can't find an oximeter, you can use this. So this app is pretty useful, and the accuracy we need to check with different patients or different persons having different levels of oxygen and using different mobiles. But for me, for this live test, it works pretty well. So you can download this app from the links I'll provide in the description. Do consider subscribing to my channel, and also like this video and share this video with your friends so that people get to know about this app and use it during this time of pandemic. So thank you very much. See you soon in my next video.